Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to view installed apps on Windows 10 and Windows 11, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to view installed apps on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on settings and then click on apps, and here you can see the apps I have installed. Just scroll down and you can see all the apps, or here you can sort it by name. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to view installed apps on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.